Good evening, students. In revision class in WhatsApp, already we discussed about the specific determiners, that is chapter 13, page number 71. Again, I'm going to repeat it in briefly. So, first we have to know that what is determiner. Determiner means a word that determines something. Means always we have to remember that determiner means a word that determines something. There are about 40 such determiners. The, these, that, there, those, 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, fourth, an, any, both, all, much, each, little. All these are determiners. There are two types of determiners: specific determiners and general determiners. Specific determiners means we have to know that it used to point out the noun definitely or in a specific way. The boy, the cat, the dog means no any other boy, dog or cat, particularly only that boy, dog or cat, and it is pointing the determiner in a definite way or in a specific way. Next is general determiners. General determiners means you have to know that it does not point out the noun definitely. In general determiner, I told you that the boy, but in a specific determiner, I told you the boy means only particular that boy. But in general determiner, a boy means any of the boy, a dog, any of the dog, a cat, any of the cat. Here, the listener or the hearer is not sure which dog, which boy, or which cat. But in specific determiner, it is clear to the hearer. So, and about articles also I told, there are 3 articles: a, an, the. The is definite article, a and an are indefinite article. Now, use of the. Already in the WhatsApp group, we discussed only the uses of the. You can see your what's in the WhatsApp. You will find where the is used. The boy, the girls, the man, the trees. The is used for singular and plurals and for all genders. And the is used before the noun that is only one in this earth: the sun, the moon, the sky, etc. Now you see next, the determiner the is used before a noun which has become definite. If the thing has become definite, in that purpose also the is used. Once upon a time there was a king. The king was very loyal to the people. If in that sentence the is used before a noun which has become definite, or already it is mentioned. Number 4, you see the determiner the is used before superlative degree. Always before the superlative degree the is to come. She is the tallest girl of her class. This is the highest mountain of the world, and before superlative degree, the is used. The determiner die is used before the noun that stands for its whole class. When the noun is standing for the whole class, then in that case also we have to use the. The cow is a useful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Means here cow, dog, they are standing for the for its whole group, and in that case we have to use the. The determinant the is used before an adjective to make it a noun standing for a whole class of noun. Now you listen the sentence. He is a rich man. In this sentence, rich is adjective. But when rich word is used as a noun, then before rich we have to use the. The rich must help the poor. The brave must always come forward. The determiner die is used before the name of seas or ocean, before the name of rivers, before the name of mountains, hills, before the name of group of islands, before the name of plural name of countries. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Yamuna, the Himalayas, the Garo Hills. Before the group of before if the country's name is plural, then the we have to use the USSR, the USA, etc. The determiner the is used before the name of trains, books, newspaper. The Janitor Express, the Rajdhani Express, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. Before the newspaper's name, the Sentinel, the Assam Tribune, etc. The is used before the name of titles and surname, the Chauhan, Akbar the Great, the Shah, etc. The determinant the is used with some time phrase, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in the meantime, etc. The determinant the is used with the noun that have modifiers before them. If it is modifier, before the modifier the is used. The fat man, the tall man, the thin girl, the white river, etc. The determiner the is used before the superlative degree. Already I have explained that one. The determiner the is used before the comparative degree when a choice is mentioned. If choice is made out of two, in that case, before comparative degree also the is to come. Now you see the example. Which is the prettier, Farida or Jamila? Here out of two, we have to make the choice that who is the prettier. In that case, before comparative degree also the is to come. We have already got that the is to come before superlative degree. But if out of two choice is made, then before comparative degree also the is to come. That one you have to remember. Of the two brothers, the elder is the wiser. The determinant the is used before a noun followed by an apostrophe. The boy's bag, the king's ministers, the girl's book, etc. Now you see the exercise. Insert the where necessary. Yamuna is in spat during the rainy season. Answer will be the Yamuna is in spat during the rainy season. Janata Express is led by two owls. Answer will be the Janata Express is led by two owls. Number 3, I caught him by left arm. Here, if will not put also, it is enough. Number 4, rich are not always happy. The rich are not always happy. Number 5, Magellan made a voyage round world. Answer will be Magellan made a voyage round the world. Number 6, moon goes round earth once a month. The moon goes round the earth once a month. Number 7, anger is worst enemy of man. Anger is the worst enemy of man. Number 8, child is father of man. A child is father of the man. Number 9, Babur Brave defeated Rana Sanga. Babur the Brave defeated Rana Sanga. Number 10, the camel is called the sheep of the desert. Number 1, the Yamuna. Number 2, the Janata Express. Number 4, the rich. Number 5, Magellan made a voyage around the world. Number 6, the moon goes round the earth once a month. Number 7, anger is the worst enemy of man. Number 8, a child is father of the man. Number 9, Babur the Brave defeated Rana Sanga. Number 10, the camel is called sheep of the desert. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. Now, here where the is needed, you see. Number 1, the Ganga. Number 2, no need. Number 3, no need. Number 4, the Hindustan Times. Number 5, no need. Number 6, the USA. Number 7, the Hindus. Number 8, no need. Number 9, the Vanuts. Number 10, no need. Number 11, the poor. Number 12, no need. Number 13, the best actor. Number 14, no need. Number 15, the English. Number 16, the earth. Number 17, no need. Number 18, the moon. Once more I am repeating. The Ganga. Number 1, the Ganga. Number 2, no need. Number 3, no need. Number 4, the Hindustan Times. Number 5, no need. Number 6, the USA. Number 7, the Hindus. Number 8, no need. Number 9, the Vanuts. Number 10, no need. Number 11, the poor. Number 12, no need. Number 13, the best actor. Number 14, no need. Number 15, the English. Number 16, the earth. Number 17, no need. And number 18, the moon. So student, in this chapter we studied about the specific determiners, and specific determiners has two parts, that is demonstrative determiners and possessive determiners. Demonstrative determiners were formerly called demonstrative adjective. And there are 7 demonstrative determiners. Those are these, that, these, those, such, certain, and same. And always, students, you have to remember that determiner used to come before a noun. This story, that pen, these books, those mangoes, such people, same story, same building, certain things, certain books, etc. Positive determiners, formerly they were also known as possessive adjectives. There are also 7 possessive determiners: my, our, your, his, her, its, their, etc. My book, your toy, your book, her brother, her mother, his book, its top, its book, our motherland, their parents, etc. Now, student, you see, these possessive determiners are formed from pronoun I, we, you, he, she, it, and they respectively. Remember that each of the 5 pronouns have double form or 2 possessive form: I, my and mine, you, your and yours, we, our and ours, she, her and hers, they, their and theirs. There are 2 pronouns. They have only one possessive forms: he, his, it, its. And you see the chart, student. This is his shirt. Shirt is noun, and before shirt his is coming, therefore it is determiner. This shirt is his. After his there is no noun, therefore this is pronoun. Pronoun, possessive pronoun, and possessive determiner. You see the chart. I, mine, my, we, ours, our, you, yours, your, he, his, she, her, hers, it, dash, its, they, theirs, their. So, student, you see the exercise now. Underline the demonstrative determiner. Number 1, this. Number 2, this. Number 3, such. Number 4, certain. Number 5, these. Number 6, this. Number 7, that. Number 8, these. Number 9, those. Number 10, that. Underline the possessive determiner. Number 1, my. Number 2, our. Number 3, their. Number 4, my. Number 5, your. Number 6, her. Number 7, his. Number 8, our. Number 9, my. And number 10, my. Now supply a suitable determiner for each blank. Number 1, a child is father of the man. A child is father of the man. Number 2, God's plans are just beyond our head. Number 3, this scheme will work, no doubt. Number 4, we must learn to help the weak and the needy. Number 5, our country. India is the best land of all. Number 6, the sum is very tough to solve indeed. Number 7, the efforts proved of no avail at all. Number 8, what happened to your bricks business after all? Number 9, those days were really very colorful days. Number 10, it can be possible in a certain condition only. Number 11, such excuses cannot work with me at least. Number 12, you are telling the same old story. Once more I am repeating. Number 1, a, the. Number 2, our. Number 3, this. Number 4, the. Number 5, our. Number 6, the. Number 7, the. Number 8, your. Number 9, those. Number 10, certain. Number 11, such. Number 12, same. Same is same. Now correct the following sentences. Number 1, answer only I am telling. English is the language of the English. English is the language of the English. Number 2, the cow is the commonest milk animal. The cow is the commonest milk animal. Number 3, all these books are my books. All these books are my books. Number 4, this is the same book that I bought yesterday. This is the same book that I bought yesterday. Number 5, his shirt is far finer than yours. YOURS. Number 6, everybody was praising her grace. HER, her. Number 7, their. THEIR. Their efforts proved just fruitless. Number 8, here is a table. These are its legs. Here is a table. These are its legs. Number 9, ours is a quite different story. Number 10, is there any money in your pocket? Is there any money in your pocket? Student, I think you understood that specific determiner is of two kinds, demonstrative determiner and possessive determiner. And there are 7 demonstrative determiners and 7 possessive determiners. This, that, these, those, such, certain and same. Possessive determiner, my, our, your, his, her, it's there. So student, you see the lesson nicely and try to understand it. It will be easy for you if you will read it again and again, and twice, thrice you try to go through the lesson, then the lesson will be easy for you. And you have to know that determiner used to come always before a noun. So student, with this only I finished today's class. Thank you.